Yo, what's going on, guys? Buenos dias. It's kind of cold outside. Thought it was supposed to be warm. Or is that Thursday? I think it's Thursday or Friday. It's supposed to be kind of warm. I think it's like 70 degrees, actually. So I'm very excited about that. But we're going to go get Starbucks. You guys know the drill. Yeah, and then let me do a venti shaken espresso with oat milk on that, please.
All right, 3710 at the window.
Thank you. Guys, I've been stuck on this vicious cycle of telling myself every single night when I can't go to sleep that I gotta stop drinking a lot of caffeine. And then I wake up the next morning and then here I am. Ooh, we went with that shaken espresso oat milk because I'm old and I need to not drink dairy or else it'll destroy me. But
fasten driver seat.
Oh, safety first. Before we start with the yapping here, guys, on today's topic, which is caffeine, I want to give a shout out to today's vlog sponsor, Paul Guerro. I don't know if it's Guerro or Giro. I'm sorry, bro. But Paul right here, I'll tag him. He sponsored Starbucks today for the vlog. So I got my kids all Starbucks and my wife and everybody. So thank you so much, Paul. Paul runs a photo and video company business out in Madison, Wisconsin, our neighbor city here in Wisconsin. So if you guys are looking for a wedding videographer in that area, go give him a call, check him out. Instagram will be tagged up here if you guys already didn't see it. So guys, I've been thinking about it lately. I love coffee, and I know a lot of my friends, if not all of them, also love coffee and are regular coffee drinkers like I am. I was never that kind of person. I realized that it has become a part of my routine. It's part of like my creativity. It's how I get things done. But lately I've noticed that it's kind of become this cycle of getting caffeinated, a big boost of energy, crash, and then repeat. I swear to you, every night I'm thinking in bed as I'm struggling to go to bed, I need to slow it down on the caffeine. So then I'm just like, wait a minute, am I actually getting energy or am I just borrowing it? Because it just feels that way. Whew. I had to do a double trip. So I had too many hands, too many coffees, big family. Now I gotta go get mine. Sushi! Come here, Sushi. Hi, Sushi. This is my kitty, Sushi. Hi, Sushi. Like I said, guys, as I'm drinking coffee, I'm not trying to quit caffeine. I'm trying to be more intentional instead of just like doing it and being kind of tired at the end of the night or crashing in the middle of the day. Crazy, because for me, it was never really coffee until about when I hit 30. I feel like that was when I started really drinking coffee, and now it's not really a must. Like if I don't have coffee today or tomorrow, I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna be like thinking about it like crazy, but it is a thing that I'm like, if I can do it, I'm gonna go do it. I don't get like the caffeine headaches or none of that stuff. I think I'm gonna be cutting back a little bit, maybe starting next week. And by a little bit, I mean, I'm just gonna, maybe instead of ordering a venti, I'll go down to like a grande or whatever the small one is in Starbucks. It always confuses me because grande in Spanish is the big one, or large or whatever. When I say grande, I always think something like this. And then venti, I don't know. It sounds like a smaller one for some reason. All right, guys, let me know if you guys are even trying to balance out your caffeine, or you even do, or you just say, you know what, give it to me. I'll drink it every day. I don't really care or whatever. I don't know. Also, let me know if there's any like alternatives. I know I already tried matcha, which I absolutely love, but I also heard that you're not supposed to be drinking matcha every day. I don't know there's something about it. I haven't really done research, but I've heard that you're not really supposed to drink matcha every day. You're probably not even supposed to drink coffee every day, honestly. I don't know how good having caffeine every single day is, but it's probably just like any other thing, right? If you overdo it, it's just gonna be bad. All right, guys, I'm gonna get back to editing, and then we'll see what we'll revisit next. Peace.